Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to this my video. My name is Halimatus. I'm from class 11 TJKT 1. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a strike network cable step by step. This type of cable is commonly used to connect devices like computer to routers or switch. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own reliable network cable. So, grab your tools and let's get started.
How to create a strike network cable?
How about strike cable? A strike cable is a type of network cable used to connect different type of device, such as computer to switch, hub, or routers. And it uses the same wiring order on both ends.
Tools and materials: UTP cable, RG45 connectors, crimping tool, cable stripper, and cable tester. Step: prepare the cable. Measure the required length of the UTP cable and cut it to size using cable stripper. Use the cable stripper to remove about 1 inch or 2.5 cm of the outer sheet from both ends of the cable. Inside the cable, you will find 8 small colored wires. Arrange the wires in the following order: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Stretch the wires with your finger. Trim them evenly by cutting using a crimping tool and leaving about 1 cm of exposed wire. Insert the wires into the RG45 connector. Hold the RG45 connector with the clip facing down. Carefully insert the wires into the connector, ensuring they stay in the correct order. Pass them all the way in until they reach the end of the connector. Place the RG45 connector into the crimping tool. Press the crimping tool firmly to secure the wires inside the connector. Repeat the process for the other end of the cable. Ensure the wire order is the same on both ends. Straight through. Test the cable. Use a cable tester to verify the connectivity. If the tester indicates all connections are correct, the cable is ready to use.
So, a strike cable is an essential component of connecting devices within a network. By following the step above, you can create a reliable strike cable that ensures smooth data transmission between devices. This type of reliable is particularly important for setting up wired network in home, office, or other environments. Thank you for watching in my video. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.